Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to create Kit subscriber from Google Ads lead. So I run an online business and to promote my business I'm running some Google Ads. So now here in this case I want that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically I want to add that lead as a subscriber in my Kit account so that I can store the lead details at one place. So here to automate this entire process, I need to build a connection between these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here, as I've already mentioned in my introduction, that I run an online business and I'm using Google Ads to attract potential customers. So whenever someone clicks on my ad and shows interest by filling out their contact details, I want to make sure that I capture the information and follow up with them quickly. So by automatically creating a subscriber in my Kit account from Google Ads leads, I can easily send them personalized emails, product updates or special offers. This saves me time and ensures that no lead is missed, helping me stay connected with the potential customers and increasing my chances of converting them into loyal buyers. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Google Ads with my Kit account, and here to automate this entire process, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Kit subscriber from Google Ads lead. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on it, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Ads. So Google Ads is an online advertising platform where businesses can create ads that appear on Google search results and other websites. People use Google Ads to promote their products or services because it helps them reach potential customers right when they are searching for something similar. You can set your own budget, target specific audiences, and only pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's a popular way for businesses to drive traffic, generate leads, and increase sales. So here in my Google Ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead form entry. So that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Google Ads account, and here you can see the test campaign that I have created. And now here I'm going to create a test lead form so that I can show you the connection between my Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to create a test lead form. So for that I'm going to scroll it little down, and then here it says create your lead form. So for that, here I'm going to give a random business name such as ABC Firm, scrolling little down, and here for the questions I'm going to select the questions that I want to require in my form, that is name. For the name I'm going to select first name and last name. Here I'm going to select the phone number and email. So here I've selected my required field, and here you can see the form that I have created with the name ABC Form, and here you can see the fields over here. So I have created a random form because here I'm going to do a test submission, and this is a test form that I have created. So now here after selecting the questions, I'm going to scroll it little down, and then here you can see the option of lead delivery option. So I'm going to select it, and then here it is asking me for the webhook integration. So here as you have already seen that I have received a webhook URL, and I need to use that webhook URL to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So you can see it is asking me for the webhook URL. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Now moving back to my Google Ads, and here I'm going to enter that webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And then here for the key, I'm going to give a name to my key, that is test key. And now here after entering the webhook URL and the key name, I'm going to click on the send test data button given over here. So by clicking on it, I will receive a test response of this particular form on my webhook URL, that means on my Pabbly's workflow. So I'm going to click on this button. And here you can see it says test data sent. That means we have successfully sent a test response to our Pabbly's workflow, or you can say to our webhook URL over here. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the user's email. Here you can see the random phone number, scrolling little down. Here for the last name you can see the value as last name, and here for the first name you can see the value as first name only. So here we have received a test response because I have created a test form and I have generated a test response in my Google Ads. But if you are running a live ad and you are receiving the live leads, then you will receive the response accordingly. And now here after getting the response over here, I want to add this particular lead received as a subscriber in my Kit account. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now let's move to action step, and here in this action step, we are going to select our action application as Kit. So Kit is an email marketing platform tailored for creators like bloggers, podcasters, and small businesses. It helps users grow their audience by making it easy to send personalized emails, build campaigns, and automate follow-ups. People use Kit because it offers a simple and effective way to engage with subscribers, creating landing pages, and track the success of their email marketing. Whether you are looking to promote content, products, or services, Kit helps streamline the process and boost your audience connection. So here in my Kit action step, I'm going to select my action event as add subscriber to a form, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically the lead received is going to be added as a subscriber in my Kit account. And now here to connect my Kit with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect given over here. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Kit account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for the API key and the API secret. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Kit account. So this is my Kit account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon given over here, and from here I'm going to select settings. Now here under settings, I'm going to scroll it little down, and here in the left side bar, you can see we have received the option for developer over here. So I'm going to select it. And here under developer section, you can see we have received the API key. So here you can see it says your API key and the API secret. So here I'm going to copy both of the details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after entering the API key and the API secret, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the form. So here I've already created a form in my Kit account which is named as this. So here I'm going to select that form. And now here, after selecting my form, here it is asking me for the first name, email, tags, last name and mobile number. So here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the first name. So here I'm going to search for the first name. So this is the value of our first name. So here I'm going to map it. Here for the email, I'm going to search for my email. So this is my lead's email. So here I'm going to map it. And then here this tags is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add the tags to the subscriber, then you can do it as per your need. And then here for the last name, I'm going to search for the last name. So this is my lead's last name. So here I'm going to map it. And lastly, it is asking me for the phone number. So here for the mobile field, I'm going to map my lead's phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response where we have received the subscription ID and the subscription status as inactive. So here the subscription state is inactive because I have to approve the subscription of this particular subscriber by going to my Kit account's mail ID, and from there I have to approve this subscription of this particular subscriber. So here, before approving, let me take you to my Kit account and show that we have successfully created a subscriber over there. So here under subscribers, you can see we have successfully created a subscriber with the name first name, and here you can see the email as test@example.com. But here you can see the status has bounced over here because we have to confirm the subscription of this particular subscriber from our mail account. So once you will confirm the subscription, then automatically the status will be turned to confirm subscriber. And with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Ads and our action as Kit. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically that lead is going to add as a subscriber in my Kit account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.